All right, hello, welcome to lesson 10.5. Inside of this lesson, we're going to be looking at the volume of a sphere. And we are in our notes and on section 10.5, so please make sure you find that appropriate page so maybe the teacher can kind of pause the video, make sure everybody's on the right page and has this spot. So inside of our first box, we're going to put in the volume for the formula of a sphere. And it's really important to write this formula down. It's our only formula for this chapter or this section here. So it's 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius to the third power. So 4/3 pi r cubed, we say. And r cubed, that means r times r times r. So we'll try a problem here. The radius of the Earth is approximately, 6,387.1 kilometers. So that's the distance from the center of the Earth all the way out to the edge. So all the way across the Earth from edge to edge would be about double that, about 12,800. So they give us the radius. So to find the volume, we simply just take this number here and we plug it into our volume up top. And I'll zoom in a little bit here so we can see what's going on. Okay. So we take our formula, 4/3 pi r cubed, and we're going to replace that r with the 6,387.1. And once we get that, we basically just go ahead and use our calculators. And so to type this into your calculator, I'm going to give you a little bit of a trick or a hint. To type it all in one big step might be a little bit difficult because there's a lot going together. So I would do the 4/3 first. So hit 4 divided by 3, enter. Then multiply that by pi and write that number down first. And then take this other radius, so our 6,387.1, take that to the third power. And so to take it to the third power, you hit the exponent key, which is, it looks like kind of the up arrow on our calculator. And then write down that number, and then we're going to multiply those two together. And when we do that, we're going to get a really big number. Huge. Wow, look at that. So 1,000, million, billion, trillion. So like 1,090,000,000,000 kilometers. And our units for this are kilometers cubed because we're talking about volume. Usually our numbers won't be so big. So that's it. You just take the radius and you plug it into that formula. So the next question is, what's the volume of the northern hemisphere? Well, the northern hemisphere is just the northern part of our planet. So you just take the total volume of the sphere and divide it by 2. So we take this full volume, cut it in half. There we go. All right. So maybe the teacher can pause the video here and let you write down that example, and then I'll make another video for the second example.